A very warm welcome on behalf of We Can Inspire. मैं हूं Dr. SRK. The earlier video on careers was about what careers are possible in the realm of arts and commerce together. यह जो वीडियो है उसका follow-up वीडियो है and it is about what careers are possible, broad careers are possible in the field of commerce. In order to understand this, first we need to understand very broadly what is commerce. चलिए समझते हैं. Commerce in very simple way is the buying and selling of products and services and all other activities related to the buying and the selling. Now, therefore, this definition allows us broad areas which are the functions of commerce. Let us see this. Number one, the manufacture of products like say soap or toothpaste, medicine, other chemicals, etc., and the sale of them. That's number one. Number two is the provision of services like banking services, advertising services, Uber, Zepto, Speed Post, etc. Number three, the growth and sale of products like tea, coffee, food grains, and the processing of them also like noodles, etc. And then number four is providing facilities like water facilities, electricity facilities, and selling them at a price. For all these activities, what we need is the arrangement of funds, the arrangement of raw materials, the arrangement of getting people in order to manage all this, the arrangement of machines. So men, materials, machine, money. We require all this. Therefore, careers will be related to sales, finance, purchases related, administration related, people related, managing people, storage and transport related, and tax related. These will be the broad sectors in which careers will be available. What are the skill sets required? The skill sets required are the arithmetic and accounting skill sets, talking, speaking, bargaining, negotiating skill sets, supervisory and people skills, managing people. Then legal and policy skills, which means understanding the government, understanding the various departments of the government, the legal provisions and the policies which the government make. These are broad skill sets required. All these will be in different parts and available in different professions. It means that in order to obtain such skills, one may have to go through several courses, or maybe a proper degree course and then a postgraduate course or other value added courses and so on. So one must try to take up courses which allow these skills. And I hope that you have understood what broad set of careers are available for those who are taking up commerce or doing commerce. I'm sure that you have some benefit. In order to have more pointed questions, you can always contact We Can Inspire. You're always welcome. We will answer you very, very promptly. Thank you very much. Take care.